If you hate cooking but still want meals done without the hassle, you're in the right place. These Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to make cooking feel quicker, easier, and way less frustrating. From cutting down prep time to handling the messy parts for you, they take the effort out of every step. All products are linked in the description below. Cheese boards, pasta nights, hash browns, whatever you're making, this Rotary Grater has you covered. Just load in your ingredient, turn the crank, and watch perfectly shredded results appear in seconds. 3 swappable drum blades handle everything from fine cheese dustings to thick vegetable slices, so one tool replaces a whole drawer of gadgets. No electricity, no contact with the blade, and no special skills needed, just effortless prep every time. It works on cheese, chocolate, carrots, potatoes, nuts, and more, making it one of the hardest working tools in your kitchen. Dull knives are officially a thing of the past. This 17-piece German stainless steel knife set comes with a block that sharpens your blades automatically. Just swipe the lever on the outside, and you're done. Every knife glides through tough ingredients with a razor-sharp edge, and the ergonomic handles are weighted and balanced so they feel like a natural extension of your hand. The built-in sharpening system is engineered to keep your knives professional grade for over 10 years. One block, every knife you'll ever need, always sharp. It's the last knife set you'll ever buy. Every last drop. This handheld lemon squeezer uses a sideways pivot design that presses fruit from the sides, just like squeezing with your hands, so you get more juice with less effort than traditional squeezers. A built-in pip catcher strains out seeds and pulp automatically, directing clean juice straight into your glass. When you're done, a quick rinse under the tap is all it takes to clean it. And since it folds completely flat, it disappears into any drawer without taking up an inch of extra space. Breakfast for the whole family. 1 pan, 3 minutes. This divided ceramic pan cooks 3 separate foods at the same time: eggs, pancakes, veggies, without the flavors ever mixing. The chemical-free ceramic coating means you need barely any oil, and cleanup is as simple as a quick wipe. It heats up fast and evenly on any stovetop, gas, electric, induction, you name it. 1 pan, 0 fuss, and a full breakfast on the table before your coffee gets cold. Fresh juice at home, but better than you imagined. This cold press juicer uses slow extraction technology to squeeze out 30% more juice than a regular juicer, meaning more nutrition and less waste in every glass. The extra-wide 5.3-inch feed chute fits whole fruits and vegetables, so you can skip the chopping and drop them straight in. One button starts it, and if the lid accidentally opens, it stops automatically, making it safe and simple for everyone in the house. When you're done, the parts rinse clean in seconds, and a cleaning brush is included to handle the rest. What's actually in your tap water? This faucet-mounted filter attaches directly to your existing tap in minutes. No plumber, no electricity needed. 8 stages of filtration plus a built-in UV light work together to strip out chlorine, rust, sediment, and bacteria, leaving you with cleaner, better-tasting water straight from the sink. A smart LED display shows you the water temperature and exactly how much filter life you have left, so you're never guessing when to replace it. Each filter handles up to 400 gallons, about 6 months of daily use, and 2 extra replacement cartridges are included right in the box. Dishes piling up on your counter. This 2-tier drying rack stacks your plates, bowls, and cups vertically, doubling your drying space without doubling your countertop footprint. A built-in dust cover keeps everything protected while it dries, and the ventilation system drains water quickly so nothing sits wet for long. Removable drip trays catch all the runoff and wipe clean in seconds. It tucks neatly into a corner and holds a full load of dishes from a family meal with room to spare. Your coffee, your rules. This compact single-serve machine works with both coffee pods and regular grounds, so you're never locked into one way of brewing. Choose from 6 cup sizes, ranging from a small 6-ounce cup all the way up to a full 24-ounce travel mug. Perfect for those mornings when 1 cup just won't cut it. It even has a dedicated iced coffee mode that brews directly over ice without watering down the flavor. The removable water reservoir holds enough for multiple cups, and the whole machine takes up barely any counter space. Freshly baked bread without a bakery or any baking experience. This all-in-one bread machine comes with 20 automatic programs that go way beyond bread, handling everything from pizza dough and jam to yogurt and cake with the press of a button. Dual heating elements bake from both top and bottom simultaneously, cutting baking time by over an hour while delivering evenly fluffy results every time. Set the 15-hour delay timer before bed and wake up to a fresh loaf waiting for you, all while the motor runs quieter than a whisper at under 40 decibels. Dirty dishes. Meet your match. This handheld dishwasher brings the power of a full-size machine into a compact, portable device you can use anywhere. No installation, no plumbing, just point, press, and let it do the scrubbing for you. It's smart enough to handle the dirty work automatically, freeing your hands for literally anything else. A clean kitchen has never been this effortless. Butter knives are so last century. This one-click butter slicer cuts a perfectly even pat with a single press. No knife, no mess, no touching the butter at all. Load in a standard stick, pop it in the fridge, and it's ready to dispense whenever you need it. The airtight silicone lid keeps butter fresh up to 3 times longer than leaving it exposed, and the slim vertical design fits neatly into your fridge door. When it needs cleaning, just toss it in the dishwasher. Done. Restaurant kitchens have trusted this rotary grater for years, and now you can bring that same quality home. A smooth-turning crank does all the work, shredding hard cheeses, chocolate, and nuts with minimal effort. The non-slip knob gives you a comfortable, secure grip, whether you're left or right-handed. When you're done, it disassembles easily for a quick clean. Compact enough to fold away and store in any drawer. It's a small tool that punches well above its weight. Coffee, eggs, and toast all at once, all from one machine. This retro breakfast station combines a 5-cup coffee maker, a ceramic non-stick griddle, and a 4-slice toaster oven into a single countertop appliance that does it all simultaneously. That means a full breakfast ready at the same time without juggling 3 different gadgets or hogging every outlet in your kitchen. Simple dials control the temperature and timer, so there's no learning curve, just dial in and cook. And with its sleek 1950s diner aesthetic, it looks as good on your counter as the breakfast it makes. Show up to any gathering and instantly become the most popular person in the room. This bamboo charcuterie board features 6 divided compartments that keep your cheeses, meats, fruits, and snacks neatly separated, all sealed under a clear, airtight lid so everything stays fresh. It's fridge safe, so you can prep everything the night before and simply grab and go when it's time to leave. Flip the lid over and it doubles as a serving bowl. Flip the board itself and you've got an emergency cutting board. Portable handle, secure latches, and a look that's guaranteed to turn heads at any table. One trip from the car, no matter how many bags. This simple handle lets you gather multiple shopping bags onto a single grip, so you're not cutting off circulation trying to carry them all by hand. The soft cushioned handle distributes the weight comfortably, holding up to 80 pounds without digging into your fingers. It works with grocery bags, shopping bags, buckets, and more. Comes as a pack of 2 so you can load up both hands and clear the trunk in one go. Cereal lovers, your commute just got a whole lot better. This genius portable cup has 2 separate chambers, one for cereal, one for milk, that only meet the moment they hit your mouth, so every bite stays perfectly crunchy until the last sip. No bowl, no spoon, no mess, just grab it and go. It's made from durable BPA-free plastic that's dishwasher safe and shatter resistant, so it holds up to daily use and clumsy mornings alike. The perfect breakfast solution for busy adults, students, and kids who refuse to skip the most important meal of the day. Blend it, seal it, sip it, all from the same cup. This personal blender doubles as a 26-ounce travel tumbler, so there's no transferring, no extra dishes, and no excuses to skip your morning smoothie. A 1,200-watt motor crushes ice to snow and blends frozen fruit smooth in seconds. And 3 smart programs handle the work automatically, so you just press a button and go. The leak-proof flip lid locks shut tight so you can toss it in your bag without a second thought. And the whole thing fits right into your car's cup holder. Gym, office, hiking trail, your smoothie comes with you. No more digging through a fridge full of rolling cans. This automatic drink dispenser uses a built-in spring system that slides the next can forward the moment you grab one. So a cold drink is always right at the front waiting for you. 5 rows hold up to 25 cans or bottles of different sizes, and the adjustable width fits everything from standard sodas to larger water bottles. No tools or screws needed to set it up. It just snaps together and slides right into your fridge shelf. A small upgrade that makes your refrigerator feel like a convenience store. This is not just a refrigerator, it's a statement. Knock twice on the glass panel and the interior lights up instantly, so you can see exactly what you need without ever opening the door, keeping cold air in and energy bills down. A built-in dual ice maker runs automatically around the clock, producing both regular ice and slow-melting round craft ice, the kind you'd get in a high-end cocktail bar, right from your own kitchen. The door-in-door panel gives you quick access to your most reached-for items without opening the whole fridge. And with smart home connectivity, you can adjust temperatures, get maintenance alerts, and monitor everything straight from your phone. Fresh juice shouldn't feel like a chore. This cold press juicer uses slow masticating technology, meaning it gently crushes rather than shreds your produce, preserving more natural flavor and nutrients in every glass. The 5.8-inch feed chute is wide enough to fit whole apples, cucumbers, and oranges, so prep time is practically zero. A metal-free filter resists pulp buildup and rinses clean under the tap in seconds with no scrubbing required. 3 steps to assemble, 1 button to run, and a glass of fresh juice in your hand before you know it. Stop losing things at the back of your cabinet forever. This 2-tier turntable spins a full 360 degrees, so everything stored on it comes to you with a simple spin. No more reaching, shuffling, or knocking things over. The height adjusts to fit taller bottles, and the tray and divided bins are fully removable, so you can configure it however works best for your space. An anti-slip base keeps it firmly in place while it rotates smoothly every time. It works just as well in a pantry, bathroom, office, or locker, anywhere that needs a little order. Mains and sides, done at the same time, no juggling, no waiting. This dual basket air fryer has two completely independent 4-quart cooking zones, each with its own temperature, timer, and heating system, so you can cook chicken in one and vegetables in the other without any compromise. The Smart Finish feature automatically syncs both baskets to finish cooking at exactly the same moment, so everything hits the table hot together. 6 cooking modes cover air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating, all with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Say goodbye to the hand grater for good. This electric salad shooter comes with 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades that slice, grate, shred, wave cut, and fine shred at the touch of a button. No muscle required. A powerful motor spins at high speed so it powers through zucchini, cheese, potatoes, and vegetables in seconds flat. A built-in safety push bar keeps your fingers well away from the blades, and all the attachments pop off and go straight into the dishwasher when you're done. Compact enough to store in any cabinet, it's the upgrade your kitchen prep has been waiting for. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.